Imagine this. You're about to buy something online, you're excited. But then, your bank account is frozen. What a nightmare. Or maybe you've seen those pesky transaction fees eat into your money. Traditional banking can be frustrating. Slow transfers, hidden charges, and limited access can make managing your own money a real pain. Traditional systems can feel outdated. We need something better, right? Something more transparent and efficient. Thankfully, there's a new kid on the block: cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It's completely decentralized. That means no banks, no governments, just you and your money. Sounds liberating, right? Cryptocurrency uses cryptography. Think of it like a super secret code. This code protects your transactions and keeps your money safe. It's like having your own personal digital vault. It might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you understand the basics. And that's what we're here to do. Let's break down some key terms in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. First up, blockchain. Imagine a giant digital ledger that is decentralized and distributed across multiple locations. This ledger records every single cryptocurrency transaction in a transparent and immutable manner. It's constantly updated and shared across a network of computers, ensuring that no single entity has control over the entire blockchain. This decentralized nature makes it incredibly secure and transparent, as every participant in the network has access to the same information. Next, we have mining. Think of it like digital gold digging, but instead of using shovels, miners use powerful computers. Miners use these powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, which require significant computational power. By doing so, they add new blocks to the blockchain and earn cryptocurrency as a reward for their efforts. It's like a digital treasure hunt where the reward is not gold but valuable cryptocurrency. Finally, you need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrency securely. This digital wallet acts like your personal cryptocurrency account, accessible through your computer or smartphone. Think of it like your digital piggy bank, but way cooler and more secure, allowing you to manage and track your cryptocurrency holdings with ease. Popular cryptocurrencies and their benefits. Now let's talk about some popular players in the crypto game. These digital currencies have revolutionized the way we think about money and transactions. Bitcoin is the big cheese, the OG cryptocurrency. Launched in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has become synonymous with the term cryptocurrency. It's like the digital gold standard. People often refer to it as digital gold because of its limited supply and store of value. Then there's Ethereum, known for its smart contract capabilities. Created by Vitalik Buterin in 2015, Ethereum allows developers to build decentralized applications on its blockchain. And let's not forget Litecoin, a faster and more affordable alternative to Bitcoin. Launched in 2011 by Charlie Lee, Litecoin aims to be the silver to Bitcoin's gold. The beauty of cryptocurrency is its speed. Unlike traditional banking systems that can take days to process transactions, cryptocurrencies can complete transactions in minutes or even seconds. Transactions are lightning fast compared to traditional banking. This speed is especially beneficial for international transactions, which can be slow and costly through conventional methods. Plus, they're often much cheaper. Traditional banks and money transfer services can charge hefty fees, but cryptocurrency transactions usually come with minimal costs. And the best part? It's global. Cryptocurrencies aren't bound by national borders, making them accessible to anyone with an internet connection. You can send and receive cryptocurrency from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This global reach opens up new possibilities for financial inclusion and cross-border commerce. Risks and considerations. Navigating the crypto landscape. In this section, we will delve into the various aspects you need to be aware of before stepping into the world of cryptocurrency. But hold on, before you dive headfirst into the crypto world, it's crucial to understand the risks. Cryptocurrency can be volatile, and its value can change dramatically in a very short period. Its value can fluctuate like a roller coaster, with steep climbs and sudden drops. This unpredictability can be both thrilling and nerve-wracking. So, it's essential to start small and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Think of it as a high-stakes game where you should only play with money you can afford to part with. Security is also paramount. Keep your digital wallet safe and be wary of scams. The digital world is rife with fraudsters looking to take advantage of unsuspecting investors. Always use secure wallets and double-check the authenticity of any platform you use. Always do your research and learn from trusted sources. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. Read books, follow reputable news sources, and join online communities to stay updated. Remember, knowledge is power in the cryptosphere. The more you know, the more you can navigate this complex landscape with confidence. So, are you ready to explore the thrilling world of cryptocurrency? It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that offers endless opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt. There's a whole universe of information out there. From blockchain technology to the latest market trends, the crypto world is vast and full of potential. Make sure to subscribe to Money Mavericks for more tips, tricks, and insights on all things finance. We cover everything from basic concepts to advanced strategies. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Mavericks for more great content. See you next time. Stay informed, stay safe, and happy investing.